how to get Air Transat boarding pass online. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can get Air Transat boarding pass online. Okay, the first step is to log in into your Air Transat account, just like I've done here. And then once you're on this page, scroll down to the part of the screen where you can see icons such as flight, package, car, more, flight status, online check-in, and then manage my booking. Once you can see that, click on manage my booking. So by clicking on manage my booking, you'll be taken to the manage my bookings page. On this page, you can see options like option plus, additional, baggage, travel payment, seat selection, bistro, pre-order, modification slash cancellation. So once you can see that, go ahead and enter in the names that you use to book your flights, such as your first name, your last name, the confirmation number, your departure date, and then click on continue. By clicking on continue, so by clicking on continue, you'll be taken to the next page, which is the flight details page. On this page, look for the option to check in online. All right, and this is usually available between 24 hours and 2 hours before departure. And then after clicking on check in online, fill out the necessary details such as your name, flight number, and booking reference. And then once you've checked in, you can download your boarding pass directly to your mobile device or print it out. So from there, you would be able to get to your boarding pass. And another way, instead of going through this procedure, you can just decide to click on the online check-in option, which is located just below manage my booking. You'll see online check-in. So click on that. So by the time you click on online check-in, you're brought to the online check-in page. So on this page, you see the necessary information that has to be filled, such as your first name, your last name, your confirmation number, your departure, airport. Click on continue, follow the procedures, and then once you're checked in successfully, you can download your boarding pass directly to your mobile device or print it out, whichever one that you prefer. So this is how to get your boarding pass online on Air Transat. Thank you for watching and ensure you have a good day.